for a French press, we are going to slowly pour our water in a circular motion.
Hi, I'm Joey, and this is Carrie, and we're the co-founders of 25-Eight Coffee.
And today we are making French press coffee. So I'm going to share with you the way that I've been making my French press coffee for the last 10 years, and hopefully you enjoy it as well. Okay, so very importantly for our French press coffee, we're using our multitasker medium roast blend. And for a French press, your coffee beans need to be coarsely ground. So for drip coffee, you usually will use a medium ground coffee, but for your French press, you want it to be coarsely ground. So
Kind of chunky.
You can see that the beans are chunkier than they would be for your drip coffee. Okay, so we have our French press, very important. We also have water that is not boiling, but it was boiling a couple minutes ago. So for French press, you want to make sure that your water's not actively boiling. It should be around 200 degrees. And another important thing, most people will stir their French press coffee with a wooden spoon. However, I have found that I prefer to use a mini whisk. To each their own. Let us know what works for you. All right, beans go in. So this French press holds 8 cups. So I use 1 tablespoon of coffee, ground coffee per cup of water. So this holds 8 cups, and so we are going to be using 8 tablespoons of coarsely ground coffee, or 56 grams, or 2 ounces. Okay, so for a French press, we are going to slowly pour our water in a circular motion until it reaches the top of that silver. Then we're going to mix it. So we get our grounds in there. Then we're gonna set a timer for 4 minutes because this needs to steep for 4 minutes. And in that 4-minute time, what are we gonna be doing?
Well, this is what I came for right here. This is a key lime cheesecake from one of our favorite places called Yummy Tummy. So we'll see you in 4 minutes.
So now that it's been 4 minutes, be very careful touching the sides, it's very hot. We're going to very slowly push down the plunger. And so you can see your ground coffee being pushed to the bottom now. And so what happens in that 4 minutes is the coffee steeps in that hot water. And the coffee beans sit at the top. And then as you press your coffee down, there you have your French press coffee.
Awesome.
So now we're going to make sure that the pouring side is there. And we're gonna have some delicious coffee. Let us know in the comments what kind of ways that you prep your coffee in the next video you'd like to see from us. Follow us on Instagram and Twitter at 258 Coffee.
Yeah.
We'll see y'all later.